Oh, what's up everyone? Aaron Schatz here, Editor-in-Chief of ASE Publishing, and today, today, we've got another unboxing for you. This one is the Rosewill Apollo Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, Cherry MX Brown switches, red backlighting. The specific model number is RK-9100xRBR, which means red backlighting, Cherry MX Brown switches, mechanical keyboard. So the Apollo branding. $100 price range right now. It's probably going to be a little slightly cheaper on Amazon, but this gets you into the mechanical gaming keyboard market without spending an arm and a leg. Like for instance, the ones we reviewed in the past that had mechanical switches, $200, right? Not this one. This is a budget-friendly one. Now obviously, it's a mechanical keyboard, so you're going to spend a little bit more money. However, $100, well worth it, right? Well, we'll see. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. Here's the box. Let's break it open. Dude, it's a keyboard, so pretty much you're gonna get the keyboard. All right, get this out of here. Whoa. All right, here is the keyboard. Take it out of the plastic for you. Nice, regular shaped keyboard. No crazy extensions on the side or anything, and I actually like that. I don't like when the keyboard is really, really big. You get a really nice braided cable, pretty long, with audio connections as well. So this, yep, it's got audio and extra USB connections up here. I always like when keyboards have that too, especially if you can plug in a headset and stuff. Let's see, we got the wrist rest. Show you what that looks like. I don't ever suggest using these wrist rests. Use your own, because it's just a piece of plastic. But if you like these, it's given to you. Okay. Oh, here we go. Let's get this out of the way. We got the literature and some software. Get that out of the way. There we go. Let's put this over here for now. Here's the interesting part. It comes with some extra keys and a key puller. So if you want to, for instance, this is a cool part about things that are for the gaming crowd. So for instance, you see this keyboard is nice and black right now. On a lot of other gaming keyboards, you'll have this and the WASD keys being a different color. Well, if you want to do that, you can do that very easily. And because this is a mechanical keyboard, that generally means that you could just pull a key right out. So for instance, let's just say you want to pull this key right out. So I'm going to push this in here. Boom. There's your up key. If you want to put this, let's find the up key right here. Oh, here, let me show you. Cherry MX Brown switch, right? You've seen that before. Pretty good switches. But we'll have to test this out in a full review. And you just pop this one back in place. There you go. And that's it. Stay tuned for the full review in a few weeks. And just remember, we've got another review of the Chroma 4K drone coming out in a couple of days. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe for that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Just remember, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, it's going to be right in this corner. You just hit this link in this corner right here. Right here. Click it. Again, thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned for the full review coming soon.